everyone, my name is Sara. We are here with our very first episode of Dreamcatchers. Dreamcatchers is a platform for children who are very talented and are not able to achieve the platform where they can showcase their talents. So we decided with the Toronto 360 to have them come over and perform or talk about what they like and what their skills and talents are. Our today's episode is dedicated to singing and music related children. We have a guest. Her name is Priyanska. She is 7 years old and she loves to sing. Then we have another guest. Her name is Zoya. She is 12 years old and she loves to play piano. We are going to have them one at a time in our show and then we'll talk to them about their achievements. Let's introduce our first guest for tonight. Her name is Priyanska. Priyanska is a 6-year-old. She loves to sing in high-pitched songs. She also got chosen to sing U.S. national anthem for sporting teams like NBA, MLBS, and many e-local events. She got interviewed by Global News and CBC News. So let's welcome Priyanska. Hello, Priyanska. Tell me about yourself.
So my name is Priyanka Mishra. I'm 7 years old. I have been singing since when I was 3 years old. I play piano and I play my ukulele. My first achievement was being singing the U.S. national anthem for Washington Wizards NBA team, and for other ones are like LA Lakers and Miami Marlins. I did sing for our premier, the Fort, and I also did many Broadways in New York cities.
That's amazing. That's lots of achievement that you have received so far. You're just 7-year-old and you did so many things. So what was the first time when you or your parents thought that that you have that talent, that you can sing?
So when I was kind of 3 or 2 years old, I was singing more and I was just running everywhere. So they thought that time that I like to sing.
Moana was your favorite song that time?
Yeah, that was my favorite song.
That was your favorite song. Which is your favorite song now?
There's many songs I like.
You like many songs. Do you have a specific singer that you like to follow, or you follow the singing style of that singer?
I do follow Celine Dion. I love her, and I'm a fan of her, and I very like her songs, and she also sings the high pitch, so that's why I like her.
Oh, so Celine Dion is your favorite singer. I think everybody loves Celine Dion. So which grade are you in?
I'm in grade 2, and I'm 7 years old. I was in grade 1, but now I'm going to move in grade 2.
You're moving to grade 2. That's exciting. So how you manage your studies and your singing at the same time?
So first in the morning, I go to my school, and then I take some break, and then in that break, I just sing.
Oh, that's nice. So do you sing for your school too?
I do sing for my school.
Yes.
Especially in pink days and when special days comes.
Yeah. So do you feel like a celebrity when you're walking in the hallways of your school?
Yeah.
Yeah. Everybody say hi to you?
Yeah.
Or they say, I saw you there, or I watched your video and you were singing the song.
One of them say that I like your songs, and I say thanks.
Oh, that's so cute. So during summertime, when it's no school, so what you do? Do you focus on your school stuff, or do you focus more on music, or you do both of them?
So I especially I nowadays play my ukulele and my piano. So I also can sing and play with them. I went to the tailgate show, talent show, and I made my own song.
Oh, that was
The world
amazing.
was
I watched that video. It was wonderful. You did a great job in tailgate music show. Okay, so now tell me, who is your music teacher?
I don't have any music teachers. I did many Broadway, so they're one of my teachers, but I don't have the main teacher who always teach me. Thank you.
Are you going to sing something for us today?
Yes, I'm going to sing Rise Up by Amber Day, and this song is dedicated to everyone. We're having a hard time in this corona, so we rise up.
Oh, that's such a nice message. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's have Priyanska come over to sing a song for us.
Broken down and tired, living life on a merry-go-round, and you can fight the but I see in you, so you're gonna walk it out. Move, mountains, you're gonna walk it out and move, mountains. mountains. And I'll rise up, rise like the day. I'll rise up, I'll rise unafraid. I'll rise up, and I'll do it 1,000 times again. For you, for you, for you, for you. All we need is hope. And for that we have each other. And for that we have each other. Yeah. We will rise, oh, we will rise, oh, oh, we'll rise, and I'll rise up, rise like the day, I'll rise up, in spite of the ache, I'll rise 1,000 times again. We'll rise up, high like the wind. We'll rise up, in spite of the ache, and I'll do it 1,000 times again. For you, for you, for you, for you. Thank you.
Wow, Priyanka, that was amazing. Thank you so much for coming and singing this beautiful song for us.
Thank
Do
you.
you want to say something before you leave?
Thank you so much for this invitation.
Oh,
I'm
you're
very excited
most
to be
welcome.
here.
It's our pleasure having you. You're such a sweetheart, and we love the way you sang the song for us. It was wonderful.
Thank you.
Thank you. Nice meeting to you.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Let's welcome our second guest for this episode, Zoya. She is 12 years old and loves to play piano. So let's invite Zoya. Hello, Zoya. How are you doing today?
I'm good. How are you?
I am good. Thank you. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you for inviting me.
It's my pleasure, honey. So what you are going to share with us today about your skills, I heard that you love to play piano. So is there something special that you like to tell us about it?
Yeah. So I was first introduced to instruments when I was 4 years old, and then at 5 years old I started showing an interest in the piano. So my parents put me in piano class. I love playing the piano because there's so many different genres you can play. You can play upbeat, quiet, loud, quick, slow. There's so many different options. And I also love how if you find a tune or a song that you love, then you can try to play it in the piano and you can experiment with all the keys and really just add your own touch in your music.
Exactly. That's interesting. So what's the best part? Like, is learning about it, or is once you learn it, just like playing the music?
I think playing the music, because if you like singing as well, I like singing. So if I learn a song that I like, then I can sing the song while playing the piano, and I feel that that's really special for me.
That's amazing. So how your music will come in between your schoolwork and your interests? Like, how do you take it? Like, is it easier for you to continue your piano lesson, or it's become difficult for you when you move forward to another grade?
I think that normally in the evenings I play the piano because in the afternoon I'm busy with school and homework. And in the evening, I think I'm the most relaxed and I can play the piano nicely because I have more time in the evening.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So what music genre you usually likes to play?
I like playing upbeat songs or like traditional songs, and I love playing Disney songs as well.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I like
Disney is our favorite,
yeah.
right?
Mm-hmm.
So do you play in English language, or do you like try different areas or different cultural musics as well too?
I normally play English music, but sometimes there are different songs from all around the world that are in my piano book,
Mm-hmm.
and I would try those songs as well.
Oh, that's nice. So which one is your favorite from all over, like, your journey of learning piano? Which song would you think that, like, you're the best at playing at it?
A long time ago, I played "Remember Me" on the piano, And I think I like that all because, again, I would sing to it while playing it. And I like Remember Me. It's the song from Coco, a Disney movie.
Right.
Yeah, I liked playing that one because it was like a upbeat, fast song. Yeah.
Do you sing for your community events, or like do you sing at your school level, or how do you promote your talent?
I haven't gotten the chance to sing in my class because I only went to grade 6 during COVID, so I couldn't sing or anything there. But I like doing concerts and stuff when I'm doing my piano. And I have a sister who likes singing, so we sometimes do duets. Yeah.
Oh, that's interesting because she can sing and you can play
Yeah.
piano. That's really fun. Do you want to share something for those kids who are interested to learn piano and or in any instrument, like instruments, like I know you're learning piano, but each instrument have different type of skills, but that the concept is still the same, right?
Yeah, I think that for me personally, I think the piano is the easiest to start with because when you know all the notes, it's much easier to transition to any other instruments. But I would recommend like not to be any like wary or nervous when you're playing the instruments, and not worry if you're good enough or playing the right notes, because music is really about adding your own touch and being like creative and experiment with the keys and notes and having fun.
Right. Exactly. So how you see yourself in like coming future? Like, are you gonna be continuing as like whatever like field you're gonna be in in your education, or you wanted to continue as a musician? So what do you think about it?
I want to continue in music. I'm interested in learning the guitar or another instrument, so I want to try doing that in the future as well.
Do you think it's easier to get enrolled into the music institutions, or it's difficult, or you have what do you think? Is it they are accessible or not?
I feel like for me, I have to have a specific type of teacher, like a stricter teacher in music, so that I can practice. Yeah, so I think that if you have the right teacher that suits you and that encourages you the most, I think
Right.
that's good.
That's wonderful. Okay, so we are going to play the short video of Zoya playing her piano, and we'll right back after that. Thank you. Wow, that's wonderful, Zoya. We loved it. Like it's amazing. And how tell us like how many months or how many years it took you to learn these skills so far?
I think it really depends on everyone, but for me, make sure I know all the notes correctly. And I'm also like, I'm still working on my confidence when I'm playing the piano because I always like look at my notes rather than really feeling the music. So,
Okay, that's amazing. So, do you want to share some things with the students like who are enrolled in music lessons before we move on?
yeah, just make sure that like you're into music instead of forcing yourself to be in it. Find an
Right.
instrument that you really enjoy instead of forcing yourself to try an instrument that you don't like that much.
Okay, that's wonderful. It's a great message, Zoya. Thank you so much for coming and being part of our show.
Thank you for inviting me.
Thank you. It's our pleasure. Take care.
You too.
Thank you for watching our first episode. Stay tuned for upcoming episode. Each episode will bring an exciting talent for you guys to watch. If you think your child already have a talent, all you need to do is accessing their abilities. What you need to do is Look at the talent they have. It might be singing, dancing, storytelling. All you need to do is to develop an act around it. And if it's not, then don't discourage. All you need is a little bit of creativity that can help you turn a simple act into a memorable one. Thank you for watching. Remember, creativity takes courage. Have a good night.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम है बुशरा अंसारी। जैसे कि आप जानते हैं, इंडस हॉस्पिटल गरीबों का मुफ्त इलाज करता है और ख़ास तौर पे कैंसर पेशेंट्स बच्चे जो हैं उनके लिए बहुत काम करता है। सो आपकी मदद के बगैर ये हो नहीं सकता, इसीलिए मैं आपके पास चल के आ रही हूँ और कोशिश करूँगी आपको एंटरटेन भी करूँ और आपसे इंडस हॉस्पिटल के लिए हेल्प भी लूँ। तो आपसे मुलाकात हो रही है इंशाल्लाह कनाडा में, ज़रूर आइएगा, आपसे मिलते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Join us on October 1st, 2021 at Apollo Convention Center in Toronto. For tickets and more information, contact us at 289-309-3895 or visit our website at www.indushospital.ca.
अगर आपका कोई भी कार एक्सीडेंट होता है तो आपको एक बेहतरीन लॉयर की ज़रूरत होती है और हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं चैम्पियन डेविड हिमोफार्ब।
Hi, I'm David Himmelfarb, managing partner of Himmelfarb Brzezinski LLP. We are personal injury lawyers in Toronto, Brampton, all over the GTA. And we speak your language. We have a wonderful community liaison, Anjum Qureshi.
आपका कोई भी कार एक्सीडेंट होता है हमें कॉल करें 416-570-0157।
Thinking of buying, selling, or investing in real estate, whether it be residential, commercial, or pre-construction, Arshad Bhatti and his team of professionals can help. We have guaranteed allocations in high-rise and low-rise pre-construction projects in and around the GTA. Call Arshad Bhatti at 416-300-5600. That's 416-300-5600 or register at arshadbhatti.com.
Do you know why professionals like you work with accountants like us? Because at Dean & Associates, we treat your business like our own and give you the best tax advice according to your specific situation. Dean & Associates' experienced CPAs and tax accountants have helped hundreds of clients and successfully managed their accounting and tax scenarios. With over 45 years of combined experience, Dean & Associates Accounting is a leading choice for incorporated professionals, small to medium-sized businesses, death and estate taxes, U.S.-Canada cross-border taxation, audits, reviews, and other assurance engagements, profit, non-profit, and registered charities, CFO services, and non-resident tax matters. Whether you need CRA and IRS representation or you're looking for a leading-edge tax strategy, we would be most pleased to help you at our 5 convenient locations across Ontario. Call Dean & Associates Accounting today at 647-273-3094 or visit deanassociates.ca.
Dixie Electronics and Appliances is your #1 destination for electronics and appliances. Choose from TVs and home audio that will entertain your whole family, to home comfort essentials for your living space and a wide selection of appliances to build your perfect kitchen. From selection to delivery, Dixie Electronics is everything you need. Price match guarantee and 0% financing available, all under one roof. Come today at 5120 Dixie Road, Mississauga, or visit the website at dixieelectronics.ca. If you are looking for a reliable, professional, and affordable travel agency in your town, then your search is over. Global Travel and Tours is your personal travel partner. Our dedicated staff always ready to make your trip hassle-free, memorable, and cost-effective. We will assist you with hotel reservations, the transportation, visa assistance, and travel insurance. Please give us a call right now at 1-877-275-3555.
I help clients with their legal protection, but I haven't done any estate or tax-free retirement planning for myself.
With the recent changes, I wish I could minimize taxes and plan for a tax-free retirement income. For over 18 years, Zahid Syed of Arush Financial has been giving business owners and professionals sound advice on tax reduction, life and health insurance, and estate planning strategies.
Act now, I can help.
हैंड सैनिटाइजर का बाकायदा इस्तेमाल बहुत से मुहलिक और वबाई अमराज से बचाव के लिए बेहद जरूरी है। ग्रीनिश हैंड सैनिटाइजर बाजार में दस्तयाब तमाम सैनिटाइजर्स के मुकाबले में कई अहम खसूसियात रखता है। हेल्थ कनाडा से मंजूर शुदा 75% फूड ग्रेड अल्कोहल से तैयार करता pH बैलेंस्ड फार्मूला न सिर्फ आपको जर्म से बचाता है बल्कि आपकी जिल्द की हिफाजत भी करता है। 99.9% जर्म्स का फौरी और यकीनी खात्मा। आज ही अपनी करीबी फार्मेसी से खरीदें या हमारी वेबसाइट पर ऑर्डर करें www.greenish.com।
अपने प्यारों को बुलाइए कनाडा में बसाइए ICC इमिग्रेशन मुस्तकबिल सवारे आसानी के साथ ICC के साथ।
ICC इमिग्रेशन की RD, MD और उनकी प्रोफेशनल टीम हेड ऑफिस मिसिसागा से आपको सर्व कर रही हैं। बिजनेस वीजा, स्टूडेंट वीजा, वर्क परमिट, स्पॉन्सरशिप या किसी भी अप्रूव कैटेगरी में आप अपने प्यारों को कनाडा बुलाना चाहते हैं तो अभी कॉल कर लें 905-461-2424। It's 905-461-2424।
ICC इमिग्रेशन।
Since 1993, MWC food banks have provided individuals and families with non-perishable food, halal meat, and essential household items. We have a special focus on the needs of our children. Over 10,000 families across Canada rely on MWC food banks to supplement their food requirements. We serve in Scarborough, Mississauga, and in First Nations communities in Ontario, Northwest Territories, and Nunavut. Your generosity can literally change lives. It's time now, more than ever, to look after your neighbor. Charity starts at home. Please donate generously to Muslim Welfare Canada Emergency COVID-19 Food Fund. Call 1-866-754-3111 or visit mwcanada.org.
Are you planning on buying, selling, or investing in real estate and looking for a reliable real estate broker? Then look no further. Call Noma today. List your home and start packing. Honest, reliable, and a top negotiator. Give your attention to Noma. Over 10 years of Canadian real estate market experience. Invest in new construction projects with day one price. Call Noma Bobber today at 647-962-0007.
Hi, I am Raja Rizwan Mahmood. I am a licensed mortgage professional. I specialize in a first mortgage, private mortgage, and refinancing. Whether you're a first-time home buyer, self-employed, or new to Canada, I will work with you to ensure you get the best mortgage for your unique needs. So call me now and let's get started on your dream home.
रोशन मुस्तकबिल और अपनों का साथ जन्नत से कम नहीं। आप भी कनाडा को अपना घर बना सकते हैं। ग्रीन स्टार इमिग्रेशन सॉल्यूशंस के रेगुलेटेड कैनेडियन इमिग्रेशन कंसल्टेंट शहबाज अकबर के साथ मास्टर ऑफ बिजनेस क्लास इमिग्रेशन, एक्सप्रेस एंट्री, स्किल क्लास इमिग्रेशन, रेफ्यूजी क्लेम्स एंड फैमिली स्पॉन्सरशिप्स। सो कॉल नाउ एट 416-508-3989. Green Star Immigration Solutions Canada. It's never too late to follow your dreams.
The law professionals at TM Law, providing professional services in the GTA in the areas of civil litigation, criminal defense, family matters, and real estate. Serving the community in English, Punjabi, Hindi, and Urdu. For more information, call Tahir Majid, barrister and solicitor at 647-838-4773, or you can visit tahirlaw.ca.
Hi, I'm Mr. Maladina from Home Life Jeevan Reality, where our vision is your growth. Are you looking to buy, sell, invest in real estate and confused where to start from? Don't be afraid. You will be moving in right directions with us. We deal in residential, commercial, pre-construction and investment properties. Take advantage of my 20 years experience in real estate. For one-on-one consultation, you can always call me at 416-434-3102.
Team Farhan, Mortgage Solutions designed for you. 15-year experience of mortgage services. Customized mortgage solutions as per your need. Commercial, residential, construction and agricultural mortgage. Our lowest mortgage rate.
At Team Farhan, we're here for all your mortgage needs.
Team Farhan को एक दफा खिदमत का जरूर मौका दीजिएगा. And this is my personal promise to you, you will not be disappointed.
At
Team Farhan, we have a mortgage solution designed for you.
416-569-9294 or log on to www.teamfarhan.com.
मस्जिद नूरुल हरम एक शानदार रूहानी तामीराती मंसूबा। माशाल्लाह वर्ल्ड इस्लामिक मिशन कनाडा खुशी से ऐलान करते हैं कि मस्जिद नूरुल हरम की तामीर का काम शुरू हो गया है। इस प्रोजेक्ट का डिजाइन और तफसीलात आप यूट्यूब पर मस्जिद नूरुल हरम ओकविल टाइप करके देख भी सकते हैं। इस शानदार रूहानी मरकज की तामीर में माली ताउन करके इसकी तकमील में हिस्सेदार बनिए। डोनेशंस के लिए कॉल करें 9052571342 या WIMcanada.com पे लॉग इन हो।
If you are looking for an honest, dependable, and trustworthy auto repair facility, consider Z Auto Center for your foreign and domestic vehicles. Here at Z Auto Center, we pride ourselves in being professional, reliable, and affordable. Our certified technicians have years of experience working on all types of vehicles. Special packages for Uber, Lyft, taxi, and driving school car safety inspection. Winter, summer, and all-season tire packages available. Best selection of used cars for sale. We are family-owned and operated business located at 3670 St. Clair Avenue East, just east of Midland Avenue in Scarborough. Call us today at 416-462-3050 or visit zautocenter.com.